Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipes. Today I'm going to make kabocha squash infused mashed potatoes. Let's get started. Cut the kabocha in half with a sharp knife and scoop out the seeds. Then trim off the skin and cut into small wedges. Cut the potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Place the potatoes in a large pot, then add the kabocha on top of the potatoes. Fill the pot with water, making sure to cover the top of the squash. Season generously with salt and cover. Bring the water to a boil, reduce heat to medium-low, and boil gently for 15 to 20 minutes or until potatoes and squash break apart easily when pierced with a fork. Drain well and return the potatoes and squash to the same pot. Then add the cream and butter. Mash to desired consistency with potato masher or whisk. Enjoy this festive side dish for your next holiday feast. For the full recipe, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.